Indian smartphone maker Lava has introduced its most affordable 5G smartphone in the country, the Lava Blaze 5G. It packs a fast mid-range processor, a big and fast refresh screen, a big battery and 5G connectivity. So all these features make it a good buy for people wanting a 5G phone without compromising on other features, that too on a budget. Let's find out. We have the Lava Blaze 5G in the glass green colorway. First, let's unbox the product and see what we get in the box. We get, as usual, the cover case, SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, Type-C charger, a 10-watt adapter, and the Lava Blaze smartphone, of course. With its flat edge design and teardrop notch display, the Lava Blaze 5G has big bezels surrounding the display. The polycarbonate back has a matte texture which is great at resisting fingerprints. The smartphone also has some heft as it nearly weighs around 207 grams. At the price point that this phone comes at, the Lava Blaze has a great build. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack for users who still want to go the wired route. The smartphone features a 6.5-inch display that supports up to 90 Hz of refresh rate, which ensures smoother scrolling. Consuming content on the Lava Blaze is reasonably good, but matters get worse when you are in a bright sunlight as the display is not legible outdoors. You also get a single speaker at the bottom, which can be easily blocked with your hands while watching a video. Also, a thing to note is Lava is marketing this smartphone as Wide1 L1 certified, but as of recording this video, the phone supports Wide1 L3, which means it supports streaming content up to 480p. The phone might be getting a future update, but as of now, it's Wide1 L3 certified. Processing duties on the Lava Blaze 5G are done by MediaTek's 700 octa-core chipset, which is a fast mid-range processor. Pair it with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the phone is reasonably fast. Apps open fairly quickly, and in all, it's a good experience. There is minimal bloatware, which is a welcome move, and the phone also comes with Android 12 out of the box, which is great. Where Lava has not cut any corners are there in the 5G bands, as it supports almost all 5G bands in the low and mid frequency range, making this device future-proof. Coming to optics, the smartphone features a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a depth and macro sensor. The samples from the primary sensor are average at best. There is also an 8-megapixel selfie camera which tends to overprocess the faces. Overall, the camera is a mixed bag for us. In terms of endurance, the smartphone packs a 5000 mAh battery pack that can easily last a day, and with a 10-watt charger in the box, you can imagine the smartphone takes its own sweet time to juice up. So now coming to the price. The Lava Blaze is priced at 10,999 rupees. At this price, would you consider Lava Blaze 5G or not? Do let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, leave a like and subscribe to the Gadgets Now YouTube channel for more tech-related content. And this is Milind signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next one.